Babe has the biggest announcement. We're going to announce it right now. So don't jump off the screen.
Yeah, man. So the big announcement, guys, is that...
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan, Island Tribe.
Wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
And your boy Provydah.
Provydah, aka Island Boy Africa.
Get used to the name.
Exactly. So guys, we are just doing a little video, just letting you know what's up.
Exciting news.
Big news, guys.
Yeah, man.
Massive, major, one of the biggest. But I'll let Babe start off with the performance he just recently did in Nimbin.
Before we get to that.
Before we get to the big announcement.
Yeah.
So guys, I want to big up a few people as well, but we'll do that in a sec. Let's hit with it, Babe.
Yeah, man.
Nerves.
So, you guys seen the Nimbin performance, and it was amazing, you know, and yeah, I loved it. It's my first time performing in Australia. And if you guys knew, you will think that this is my first performance ever. No, I performed plenty of times back home in Jamaica, but this is my first time performing in foreign, so yeah, it was different, and I didn't know how the people would receive it, so I put the song together as best as I could and try to deliver as best as I can, basically, so yeah, and that's what happened. You guys see the results, and yeah, but there was a few behind the scene moments and technical moments that happened. Yeah, you wanna talk a bit?
Oh, okay. So first and foremost, we took my brother with us.
Yeah.
Big up to my brother.
Yeah, man, big up David.
But he drank a lot. A lot. And he was drunk. So we had to kind of watch him at the same time, you know, around the crowds and things, you know, because you just never know. There could be some psycho out there.
True.
So we, you know, got to the scene where Babe was, you know, giving the DJ the USB.
Yeah.
And I started shaking, like my nerves, right? I'm nervous as. But his music wasn't downloading onto the guy's computer.
Yeah, it wasn't working, and all of a sudden he said he's gonna try the other artist's USB. That worked. He tried another USB, that worked. Mine did not work. You see, someone has a Jano Star. It's like I'm left with no option now. You see it, and Babe said about the phone. Probably try the phone, and yeah, and that's what we did. And he was like, yeah, we can use our phone. So yeah, I had to put it on airplane mode because we were thinking like the worst possible thing, the worst thing could happen is your phone ring in the middle of a performance. You see,
it was the worst. Like I was so, at the time I was like, Babe, like why didn't it download? He goes, it worked on your computer when I downloaded it this morning.
It played fine.
And it played, and now it's not playing on this guy's Apple Mac, whatever. And by the way, I don't own an Apple Mac. Mine's like a what is it? A HP.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I was just like, oh goodness, here we go. We don't want this. Now, how it all started was I made some contacts. I seen something on a newspaper, on a local newspaper, about the Nimbin Mardi Gras show. Now my aim was to get Babe onto a bigger stage, which is, you know, with the bigger, you know, the wider community and the bigger audience, and, you know, other performances that have a name already, like, you know, that are kind of out there in the music scene. But the promoter said we were a little bit late, so therefore he goes, but we do have another option for him. He can go on the the Marijuana Music Video Awards, or whatever you call it, Music Awards. And I was so stoked. I go, yeah, why not? You know, at the end of the day, we're here at this present moment, and we're just here for the exposure.
Yeah, just here for, you know, promoting myself, getting my name out there.
Getting his name out here, guys. So, it's the most, you know, it's the most important thing for us right now.
Yeah, man.
You know, being a new artist in the country, but not just that, change of name, because everybody knows him as Afrikai.
True.
You know, Afrikai was once upon a time Afrikai. Now he'll still be Afrikai to a lot of you, but Provydah is what he is. I don't know if you want to talk about how you became Provydah.
Yeah, I can tell them. You know, the name Provydah came basically my father, that was his nickname, you see it. So I've seen a few people commented saying that was my father's name, which they are right, you see it. So yeah, it's in honoring my father, you see it, passed away years ago, you see it. So yeah, I'm just gonna live on with that name, you see me. Yeah man, so that is the main reason behind it. And yeah, another stuff too, other reasons which yeah, I'll probably talk about that the same way, isn't it? Yeah man, so yeah, that was the main reason. Yeah, and along with other things, as I said.
So you know, so yeah, you know, Provydah is his name now, guys. And the thing is we got on that stage, he got on that stage with the phone. I said, babe, make sure you put it on airplane mode.
Yeah.
If you don't put it on airplane mode, someone's gonna message or ring, and it's gonna sound so bad. I said, all right. So he did that,
yeah.
And we're sitting there, and all of a sudden, babe had a drink beforehand. Like he only had like one little Jack Daniels and Coke, as you can see in the video, and it just to sort of nerves. It's a nerve thing.
Yeah, it gives me a little, you know,
a little boost.
You guys, if you know, you know. If you don't, well, I don't really drink. You see me? But I will. Yeah, and I don't smoke either, guys. Just bear that in mind. I made this song specially for this, for Nimbin Mardi Gras. You see it, so yeah. But you know, when you're good at something, you have to make it believable. You understand it's art. You see it, it's music. So you have to, you know, if you also believe in cannabis, you know, the benefits and all of that, you know. So I looked up all of those, and I you know, got my information gathered and put the lyrics together, and that was the result. Yeah, so that's how the song came about. And yeah.
So guys, yeah, so then the guy goes, yeah, no worries, whatever, we're gonna play it through your phone.
Yeah.
And he goes on stage. Guys, I don't know if you can see in the footage, but the camera was a little bit shaky. I was nervous for him. Look, I think as a partner, and you know, I'm just trying to hit the best that I can to get him out there, and you know, that's what I'm doing. You know, people say manager Maria. I've been reading all your comments. I'm not his manager. We're a partner. We're a team.
We're working together.
We're working together. We're a team. Everywhere, you know, if I can be there for his performances, I'll be there. You know, to film so that everybody out there can see Babe on the camera.
Yeah, man.
So I'll be behind the camera a lot of the times when Babe's performing. And you know, it is what it is right now, you know, because we're not rich. We can't fund someone to come out and record him.
True.
You know, and all that sort of stuff. So I'll be doing most of that. Also promoting him as much as I can. So guys, follow your boy Provydah.
Yeah, man.
You know, he is definitely got a lot of talent. I've seen that from the very beginning. You know, his voice, it's different ranges, you know. He's got and
that's the thing, I can go in many different styles, you know, like because you know, this music industry, a lot of us know that a young artist like my age group can't go on a 90s dancehall beat, or you know, certain beats that's very slow, you know. So I showed my versatility there, and you know, my range as well. So, and also what was good as well is that Babe got to see me perform live for the first time.
And that's what made me more nervous, because I was like, I want him to nail that.
Yeah, because she has seen video of me perform before.
It was an emotional thing for me, guys. I was literally behind that camera, like kind of not trying not to tear up and be like, because people were probably looking at me like, oh, who's this? You know.
it was.
So it was like, and at the same time, look, I'm like getting red eyes at the moment. But yeah, he did really good, guys. And you know, we never even knew it was supposed to be. It was a competition.
Yeah, we didn't even know until we literally got there, and I'm like, what? When I heard about music award, I thought, okay, well, I'm just gonna be perform, and then they're gonna have their music award thing after, which is separate from my performance or whatever.
For real.
You see, so yeah, that came at a shock, but yeah, still good. And the thing is, I'm not complaining or anything, but what happened was I performed really early. Right? When there was people, but not enough as when the African guys that won, they were everybody there. You understand? Basically, so they had more people that seen them that didn't see me. So that's the difference, I would say. And they seem like, I think they're local there.
They're local guys.
They're local,
you can tell because
from Nimbin. So
they're actually from Nimbin, because you know, when you like I said, when you have yourself a name and people start to know you, and you come every year and perform, those guys obviously they do gigs there, they're well known, so that's why, you know, as well. But you know, they did a great performance, same way, you know, they were really good in their show.
True.
And you know, if they ever get the chance to watch this, big up yourself, guys. You did well.
I don't remember their name.
I can't remember. I think it was Common something or whatever. But anyway,
but
they were really good.
Yeah, man.
But like I said, you know, the exposure, that's the main thing. The promoting side of things, so I've been making contact with a few other promoters out, and there was another show coming up in Darwin, and it's called the Colour Festival, and so basically people, you know, go there and paint themselves with all different colours. So it's nothing weird, it's just a colour festival.
That's when I first heard colour, I'm like, great. You know, I had to Google it. But yeah, people paint their body and thing and thing. Yeah, people paint their body and just have a good old time. And anyway, so yeah, the promoter really wanted provydah to be up on their you know, sheet. Yeah. The only thing is, it's in Darwin, and right now for us, it's a little bit of a struggle to get out there, and it's only in the next couple of days. Like literally, it's like 5 days away. Yeah, and Darwin is another state which is further away. It's further away, expensive, and yeah, driving will probably be like a good 3 days, I think. Yeah, for driving down there. So yeah, I'm not ready for that. We're not ready for that, let's say. So yeah, we just let them know that we'll be in touch next year, and we'll definitely make it happen. Also, Babe just missed the opportunity to be on another Jamaican festival. A Jamaican festival over in Melbourne, which is the promoter by Stick. Yeah. So Stick, you know, he just missed out. You know, he already had the lineup. A little bit too late. And that's a major show. That is a major show, guys. So hopefully, you know, Babe can be on that show next year. Yeah. And you know, like I said, it's all about the exposure. Yeah, you know, we're not. Yeah. If I get paid for it, I'm grateful. But you know, we just try push out the, you know, put out the effort out there for get there, isn't it? Yeah, man. So that's what's happening right now, guys. You know, if you're all, you know, well and truly, you're all big supporters and everything. Support your boy, provydah. Share his music with your family, your friends. You know, even if you know someone that's in the music world, whether it be in America or in England. I know there's big up yourself, Vicky. She lives in England. She's also trying to get him over to England to get to do some gigs. Remember, we've also got to keep in mind with visas and things as well when we're doing these kind of things, because it's not easy at the moment with Babes being here in Australia. He has to apply for other visas to get to where he needs to go, unless the promoter is willing to apply for a visa and all the sort of stuff that goes with it. Look, guys, I've never really done this as a business. I don't plan to continue doing it. We're just basically self-made. And that's where we're going to keep it. We don't want to sign up to no contracts, none of that. Babe doesn't want to do that right now because I'm done with them thing there, you know? I've been through it and I'm done with them thing there. So we're just going to push out as much as we can of Babe's music with our family channel, his channel, my channel, whatever. We're going to get there, you know, and with all your guys' support and love, we can get there. So thank you. Thank you guys for the support in whatever way, isn't it? Appreciate it. Really. As you all know, if you've been here from day one, we've been through hell and back, you know, and now we're here. Babe's living the dream, you know, I'm living the dream, seeing Babe be his best, at his best. So big up yourself, guys. Babe has the biggest announcement. We're going to announce it right now, so don't jump off the screen. Yeah, man, so the big announcement, guys, is that for all the reggae lovers out there, you guys would know this artist, you see me? Turbulence. You see me? He's coming on an Australian tour. And guys, on December the 8th, I'll be one of the opener for Turbulence in Sydney. You see me? Yeah, guys, this is so exciting. Yeah, man, we've been wanting to announce this for a while now, guys. So yeah, finally we announce it. We allowed to announce it now. Because we didn't got the permission before until now. Yeah. So guys,
this is all I'm asking you guys to do. I'm going to record his performance.
Yeah.
But the best thing would be if you guys get your airplane tickets wherever you are around the world. You've got plenty of time before the 8th of December,
you know what I mean,
to get you down here, get your backsides down here, to support your boy Provydah.
Yeah, man. I have a 20-minute set, guys.
Yeah,
20 minutes. It's not like the Nimbin one. This is a 20-minute set. So you know, me have to bring my catalog out, performance out. Is when me have to compose myself and everything.
Yeah.
Is when me fully organized with that one.
Yeah.
Because me know it's the people I'm gonna turn out. So this is gonna be a major show.
This is gonna be big, guys. You know. And look, if you can't make it out, no problem. We got your back. We're gonna video it the same way. We might not be able to video all of the Turbulence show because, you know, copyright claims and things like this. But we'll do snippets of things. But yeah, you know, we'd love to see you here, and guess what? You'll get to meet the island family. Yeah, man. If you get, you know, if you do come down.
Yeah, man. So if you are forward, link will be down in the description for tickets and all of that.
Tickets are $40, and I think at the door, I can't remember the price of the door, but anyway, we'll continue talking about it as the weeks roll in.
Yeah, man.
And big up, guys, and thank you so much for your love and support. We appreciate you all, as we've always said. We always read everyone's comment. We may not reply, but we still read them. And guys.
Yeah, man. So big up to, what's his name? Stick Maribo.
Stick Maribo.
The promoter.
Big up to you guys and your team. You guys are always busy doing your work. You know, we'll be there, you know, to support, and obviously thank you very much for giving Provydah the opportunity to get out there and express
show my talent, you know.
That's it.
Show the world what I can do, you see me?
Thank you.
Yeah, man, and thanks to my beautiful wife here, you see me? Yeah, man, we're doing this.
He's so cute. I love him. Doesn't he look good, guys? Ladies, come on. Come on, ladies. Don't tell me. He looks good. Look at his haircut.
Yeah, got it all, you know? Ready.
Anyways, guys, this is your boy Provydah, your girl Maria. We're the Island family.
And make sure to stream my new song if you're new to the channel, City of Dogs by Provydah. Link will also be down in the description. You see me?
That's right, City of Dogs. If you haven't heard it, stream it. Provydah Music, Provydah, the one and only down under, the land down under, Australia.
You see me?
Big up yourself, Island Tribe. To the world.
And we out.